You want prescription sunglasses, but between hundreds of thousands of brands and millions of models, where the heck are you supposed to start? We know that getting prescription shades is a commitment because the lenses cost more. So to save time, money, and tears because the ones you ordered don't look like how they did online, we've done the research for you. Stay tuned to learn about the top 6 brands and models based on quality, price point, and style so you find a fit that's truly you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel, where we cover all things eyewear and lens technology. If you want prescription sunglasses that are great for your budget and lifestyle, you'll want to consider price, quality, comfort, durability, and your daily activities. Let's start with the most affordable sunglasses on our list. People like Zenni Optical because they have the cheapest quality prescription sunglasses starting at $14.90. And there are a ton of options. Their prices are significantly cheaper than traditional brick and mortar optical companies and online retailers. So if you're on a tight budget, Zenni's a great option, but they won't be right for you if you need progressive vision lenses. Zenni only sells single vision prescription glasses and sunglasses, but one reason we like Zenni is because they do offer super high prescriptions in some of their models, up to -20 for farsightedness and +12 for nearsightedness. Keep in mind, you'll need to choose from a model on their site that accommodates the strongest high index lenses, because they aren't available in all models. Our top Zenni pick is their foldable round sunglasses model, which starts at $49.95 with clear lenses, but gets closer to $200 once you add tinted lenses, and over $260 if you want photochromic lenses. They have a solid and affordable selection of 27 classic, mirrored, gradient, and fashion lens tints. On the downside, they don't offer color enhancing lenses, which I'll cover in a minute. And if you don't know the difference between these lenses, we have videos on mirrored versus polarized versus color enhancing lenses. They're linked in the description below. If you want quality prescription sunglasses with the best lens technology and options, plus a range of fashionable and performance frames, this next one might be for you. Fuse Lenses has prescription frames for every occasion. Whether you're looking for a stylish pair for everyday wear, a durable pair for sports, or something in between. We also work with progressive vision, and any of our frames can be fitted with high index, high prescription lenses. And a quick teaser, we're dropping our hottest new half-rim sports sunglasses next week. If you want to be the first to know, make sure to subscribe. We also have 27 lens tech with prescription options, on par with brands like Costa and Oakley. Our AMP color enhancing lenses use built-in patented AI technology to selectively magnify the most beautiful parts of all of the color spectrum. And we have different tints for different activities and settings. Our lenses always sell out. And if you already have a pair, you know they speak for themselves. We were one of the first and only brands with prescription ability with our polarized, mirrored, gradient, and standard tint lenses. Plus, we have an online test if you need to renew your script. If you're looking for an all-around great, unisex, durable pair of sunglasses, I highly recommend the Summerland. They're lightweight, flexible, and affordable, starting at just $29 with standard lenses. If you need prescription lenses, they're only $178. And seriously, these sunglasses are amazing. I've been wearing them since the summer, and they've held up perfectly. Next up is Roka, a performance eyewear brand that offers high-quality prescription sunglasses for highly active and athletic people. They sell some of the most innovative designs on the market, use durable materials, and create lenses with sharp optics, with a 1,000-day warranty on all models. Since Roka is a performance brand targeted toward athletes, the prices are higher to match the quality and purpose. But their cheapest prescription sunglasses are $245, not including lens tint and mirror options. You are in luck if you're looking for progressive vision lenses, but adding that feature costs an extra $225, almost the price of the sunglasses themselves. And depending on the lens material, you could be shelling around $700. That's literally the quote my mechanic gave to me to fix my brakes. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I should get them fixed. Our choice for prescription sunglasses here is the Lockhart, which Roka describes as a modern reimagining of a classic silhouette, infused with their performance DNA. In a minute, I'll cover an affordable endurance frame alternative for athletes, So stick around. Lockhart's will cost you between $275 and $370 for single vision sunglass lenses, and $525 to $715 if you need progressive vision. This model is perfect for sports because it's lightweight, which is a huge plus for endurance athletes. The frames are also constructed with patented grips that stay in place as you move. If you're an endurance athlete like a long distance runner, we'll have a video soon about the best sunglasses for running. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Next up is GlassesUSA, which offers high-quality prescription glasses and sunglasses for cheap, and has a wide selection of frames and styles for everyone. They're a direct-to-consumer distributor of other brands, which allows them to lower their price tags and price match when their suppliers have sales. For example, our top pick, the Ray-Ban Wayfarer, is $171 on GlassesUSA, and the same basic model starts at $188 on the Ray-Ban website. But the difference really shows up when you add prescription to your sunglasses lenses. When you add them on the GlassesUSA site, the price only goes up to $220, whereas Ray-Ban increases it by over 3 times. I'll let you do the math. You don't have to do the math. It's $590. The Wayfarer is one of Ray-Ban's most tried and true, classic, highly rated models that's been around for decades. You can learn more about it and other Ray-Bans in this video guide down below. The downside of GlassesUSA is their 14-day return policy and the fact that shipping can be up to 20 days, which is excessive for pre-made, already in stock frames. A prescription retailer on the opposite side of the spectrum from Roka and Ray-Ban is EyeBuyDirect, which is known for its cheap base prices. Their regular sunglasses start at $19, and their prescription sunglasses are the cheapest on this list, starting at $39. They sell thousands of fashionable and unique styles, but our favorite all-around frame is the Good Vibrations Aviator. The tinted prescription lenses in this model start at $65 for single vision, and $109 for progressive. Even though that's a pretty big price hike between the two, it's still super reasonable compared to the other brands on our list. We like aviators because they're great for everyday use and activities like driving, since they sit comfortably on your face, and the thin wire frames keep your peripheral vision open. We also have an aviator style called Fuse Sanibel, starting at $178 for prescription sunglasses and $44.99 for regular shades. This is one of my favorite styles because it's so similar to the classic Ray-Ban Aviator, but a bargain in comparison. Last on the list is one you've definitely heard of before, especially if you've ever been to a mall. Warby Parker. They're one of the most popular prescription eyewear retailers because they have an online store and in-person stores. Plus, they'll send you up to 5 frames for free to try on at home, and you can just send back the ones you don't like. Their glasses are on the pricier side. Prescription sunglasses start at $195. We love their brimmer frame, which is a bolder take on aviator styles, and it's perfect for everyday wear and fashion-conscious people. And want to know more about the latest sunglasses styles and trends? Don't forget to subscribe. You'll want to be the first to know when we drop our video with the top sunglasses trends for 2024. With special features like high index lenses and progressive vision, you'll be coughing up $495, making them the second most expensive brand on this list. But Warby Parker is known for their quality, good customer service, and a 1-year scratch guarantee, so you're paying for satisfaction. It's also really unique that they don't charge extra for certain features like polarization, and you can walk into a store and get an eye test that'll match you to the best lens strength. But this brand is obviously out of reach for a lot of us who were just looking for reliable, quality prescription sunglasses at a reasonable cost. So where are you supposed to start? No matter the activity or type of frame and lens tech, Fuse Lenses is your one-stop shop where you'll always find exactly what you need. We stand out from all the other brands on this list because we're the only one that offers replacement lenses. Not just for our own models, but for any brand. Our quality, comfort, style, and high-tech lenses are unmatched for a price that won't break the bank. Our prescription sunglasses replacement lenses start at $79.99. And we can make them in any of our color-enhancing, polarized, and anti-reflective mirror, gradient, blue light, and gaming lenses. Plus, they're cut in the US of A by our very own lens experts. Although our frame selection is smaller than most of these brands, it's constantly growing and improving. And remember how I mentioned that I had an affordable endurance frame for you? Well, Fuse and Cloak frames have rubberized nose pads and spring hinges, made from durable materials that are designed to stay on your face and be comfortable all day. No matter if you're a pro athlete or just dabbling in the outdoor sports. And the discount I talked about, you can get $5 off your first pair with the code YouTube or by going to fuselenses.com/YouTube. The link is in the description. And remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.